How to extract text from image using Deepseek AI. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for chat.deepseek.com. And once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log in to your Deepseek account. So once you're logged into your account, you simply want to go ahead and tap on this icon right over here. Now go ahead and select a photo where you would like to extract the text from. So in my case, I have this photo. Go ahead and tap open. And while our image is loading, simply type in, please extract the text from this image. And as you can see that this is a photo that I have given to Deepseek to extract the text from. And just like that, the text has been extracted right over here. And that is simply how to extract text from the image using Deepseek AI. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.